Hola, hola, Tango Bafowet. Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport Bafowet. Today we're going to talk about the whole team in Kaizer Chiefs, like Yama injuries. We saw Bafowet Ulilepo when he was injured. They kept on playing him, and that is not right for the team Bafowet. It's not good ukuthi bafake umuntu when he's injured. They were supposed to ukuthi uLilepo bambekele eceleni and then bafake uVelebhayi bamnikeze ithuba. And we saw uVelebhayi mabemnikeze ithuba ukuthi how good he was. But the problem is he's still keeping up with the team. And we saw ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs now they are able to play both sides, Buffett. Not ukuthi badlale ngeside eliyi-one elikaLilepo kuphela. When we are using both sides, Buffett, we are showing a creativity because of you can see how the boys were attacking. We're using both sides, Buffett, especially on the second half, and which is something that is good to expose the players, guys, because they kept on predicting these Kaizer Chiefs, they only use the left side, and we disappointed them when we started to use the right side as well. The right side was functioning, the left side is functioning. Only on at the center, guys, in the midfielder, we are short of creativity players, especially esiswini, because at least front yona ingcono, but lapha esiswini bafethu we need someone who's gonna be helpful to Umthetho, because Umthetho, I think, is doing his job well. Bafethu is doing his job well because of how to defend. The only thing that is difficult to him is to pass ibhola bafethu. Bazi sidinga ukuthi na ucele lapha phaphame lapha avuke emaqandeni. He must be active bafethu ukuthi mayiqala sithi sisebenzisa iside lika left sisebenzisa uright nasesiswini sibe khona ukwenzela ukuthi we confuse our players bafethu. We must confuse our opponent bafethu ukuthi naye idideke njengoJunior Khanye. uJunior Khanye udidekile bafethu because he said Kaizer Chiefs won't reach top 8. They won't beat any team bafethu. They will lose or draw kuphela, but we have disappointed him because we won some games. We won some games, and then even that day when we were playing, he said we will not score more than one goal. We just got lucky to score that goal, but he doesn't see us scoring more. If someone is going to score is the opponent, but we proved him wrong.